How is it? No, not only a party hat, but I have other decoration ideas for you. Hi, I'm Putul and I'm back with another video. Some decoration ideas for a party using newspaper. Any occasion card, a party hat and a banner. So let's go and see how is the tutorial. I am sticking newspaper cuttings on a chart paper. We will stick these cuttings on full chart paper. After sticking all the cuttings, trim off any excess pieces if they stick out of the paper, and also any piece if it is hanging not stuck properly, stick it. Now I have divided this chart paper into equal strips and will cut out these strips. After cutting out the strips, we will further cut these out into squares or rectangles or any other shape that you wish to have. Now for the banner, we'll take a ribbon and stick these squares on it at equal distances. See, the banner is ready. Leave it to dry for some time. Now for the card, we are taking a chart paper and folding it into a half and sticking the same squares or rectangles that we had cut out in the starting. See, it is done now. You can use cutouts for any occasion to make a card that way and stick on this. Happy birthday, Happy Father's Day, or a congratulatory card. Now a party hat. For a party hat, I am taking a piece of chart paper and rolling it this way and sticking it on the edges. For a detailed tutorial, I have a separate video. You can check that out. Now we are cutting it to have a smooth circular edge. Cutting out any excess. I am sticking the same cutouts that we had created in the starting of this video. I have covered the entire hat with the cutouts. So it is done now. Easy peasy. Hi friends, so I am back. How was the tutorial? Liked it? Do comment below how was the tutorial. And also share my video with your friends. Like it. And subscribe to my channel. There's a small bell button. Do press it if you haven't already. It will give you notification whenever I am out. So until next time, bye bye.